Syma X8C, the $80 quadcopter, meets the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Let's get right into it. What's up everybody? Welcome to Drone Mania. The GoPro Hero 7 Black. Its selling point, the EIS, electronic image stabilization. So I'm here right now at the park next to my building, putting it to the ultimate test with the great and powerful $80 drone, Syma X8C. It doesn't get any basic than this. There's nothing here. There's no altitude hold, there's no GPS, there's no pinpoint, there's no follow me, nothing. It's just your toy grade car. There's nothing here, just your toy grade drone. Your basic controller, just the drone and your skills together. So we're gonna put them to the test to see if what GoPro claims is like a gimbal. We will soon find out, people. So let's get right to the flight. So my friends, I just got back home. At the end I had to change it up a little bit to reduce the weight because it just wasn't working. Can you believe how it got stuck in the tree? Oh my God, I thought I lost it, but some guy helped me and he was a lot taller than me, so it gave him that extra height with those extension rods for like painting with another ladder. It was just hectic, but at the end I got it. And what do you guys think? Do you think that the GoPro Hero 7 Black is up to its claim of the EIS, if it's really that good? Leave it in the comments below what you guys think of the footage, how it came out, if this is good enough for flying. Obviously there's no GPS and all that stuff, but you know, let's just say without the GPS, if you would fly a Phantom, same perspective with no GPS and just, you know, ATT mode, what do you guys think? Leave it in the comments again below. I'd really like to hear. Don't forget please to hit the like button and subscribe if you like the video, and remember, till next time, remember to be safe, take care, have fun, and peace out, people. Bam!